Peeps, so just wanted to do a really quick video about how to put on lashes. I just recently learned like it was something I didn't think I would ever like learn how to do, because like it just was always like it seemed kind of hard, and then when I tried in the past it was really difficult. So I just wanted to like share with you guys. These are the lashes that I will be using. Just went to the drugstore, CVS, and got some Faux Mink lashes by Kiss, and they're called Muse. They're very cute. So I already have one on. I popped one on already, and then I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and record this video, because like you have to keep practicing with it. Like you have to give yourself grace, and like just go ahead and just continue to try, and then you'll eventually get it. You may get glue everywhere, but it's okay. And I use a glue that dries clear. I have I have it upside down. I have the strip lash adhesive with aloe, and it's like it comes out white initially, and then it dries clear, and if you do have like any residue, you're just able to kind of like rub it away once it dries. So let's go ahead and get started. So like I have used the lashes already. Like you can use the lash strip a couple of times. I'm not 100% sure like what the throwaway time is, but like you don't want to use it too many times. Like there's a certain amount of times that like you can use lashes, but like you kind of like pull the old glue off, make sure that it's clean. Like just pull it off, get that old stuff off. And then once you got it off to your satisfaction, you get your glue, and then you just draw out like just dab on like a small amount of glue, trace it along the lash strip. Definitely don't want to be putting too much on here. A little goes a long way. Alright. Okay. Ooh, I might have got it some on the hair, but so you have it on your strip, and then you just kind of like let it get tacky a little bit. So like 10 to 20 seconds, like let it like just kind of dry. Dry a little bit so it could get a little tacky. And then like you have like a mirror. You want to get a mirror. You could get a compact. I just have this one with me right now, or just whatever mirror you have. You want to make sure that you close the eye that you're putting it on. Just try to angle it. I think I'm gonna put it on this way. Okay, I know it looks crazy up, but like, okay, it's on there. Or is it? The camera, I need to charge my phone. Okay. We got the right placement. So you see like I have glue literally everywhere, but like once you get it on there, go ahead and slide it to the place where it needs to be. Like once you got it on there, And like I said, like y'all want to make sure, like I know people like using black glue and all that other good stuff. Until like you get established into doing that, like get something that's gonna dry, clear, and kind of look natural. Like everything. By golly, I think we have it. And that's it. Like, I know you guys may see the glue, but it's gonna dry eventually. But that's pretty much it. And I love these lashes. I want to say like they were probably about $8.99 or something at CVS. Not too expensive or anything. And they're not real minks. They're faux mink lashes, and they have like a nice curve to them. So I was so glad when I learned how to put lashes on. I was like, I think like it's just, if you don't want to put on makeup or put a full face of makeup on or anything like that, you could most definitely get some lashes going for yourself. Like all you gotta do, like you could do your eyebrows, and if you want to put like some, maybe some concealer or something on or something like that, like, and go about your day. Like that's it. Like it's a real simple like step up like for you. Like you don't have to do too much to do anything. So let me see. I'm gonna give you guys like a bit of a closer look. But that is how the process is done. Like you just pretty much get it like over your actual real lashes and just lay it on that the line so it can stick. And so yep, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys another time.